Hey Andrew, this is your website. You don't really have any content on here at all. You only have 125 words. You want to have at least 1,000, if not 1,500. Depending on what your competition have, you want to have more than your competition does. Google loves content. It'll help you outrank them. You want to make sure it's relevant with keyword organically in it. You also want to make sure you save these images with keywords. So you'd want this to be carpet cleaning, Duluth, Georgia, or whatever keyword you're trying to rank for with Google. Go into Google, searching carpet cleaning, Duluth, Georgia. You know, it says ads first. These are the better ads. These ones you have to get verified with Google first. Then there's these ones that, they're pay per click. These ones tend to get less spammy clicks, but they still can. Then you get the Google Map Pack, and then we go down here. This is a directory, but then we got a competition here. Go into his website. It looks like he services different areas. But you'll notice he has a ton of content on his page. He has 1,593. So you'll want to get 2,000, 2,500 or something to outbeat him with that. Although we could check his Duluth, Georgia page if we wanted and just beat that content. So you won't necessarily have to get that much, but you could. The more content, the better. See what his images are saved as. If I can find one. Save image as. Woman owned, yeah, so he doesn't have that image saved correctly unless he wants to rank for that. So that'll help you can outrank him with that as well and have more keywords there. Tool I like to use is Ahrefs, putting you in here. You only got one keyword you're ranking for, and you got one referring domain, 2 backlinks. So you don't really have much going on with backlinks. Putting your competitor in, you'll see he has 1,300 backlinks and 210 referring domains with 1,500 keywords that he's ranking for on Google. His scores, UR and DR, are also pretty good. So we would come in here, would grab backlinks that he has. Not all backlinks are the same, so we want to make sure we get ones that are relevant to the cleaning industry, as well as ones that have high scores for each of these. We don't want spammy ones. We want to grab the relevant ones, and it'll just give you more power with Google. Google is smart. They know what's relevant. They know what looks like spam. It's just you'll get the most strength from good quality backlinks. Then we don't have to stop there. We can go find other competitors. We can go get other backlinks. Backlinks you can do guest posts for. You can go to blogs. You can pay for. You can get sponsors. There's tons of ways to get different backlinks. It can be spendy, but it's something that will really help you. It's really powerful with ranking with Google. Going into his keywords, looks like he services Atlanta. That's his number one keyword that he ranks for. He's number one there. He gets 75 traffic. There's about 350 people that search that. It's got a pretty high KD, which means how easy it would be to outrank him or to rank for that specific keyword. But let's type in Duluth and see what pops up. So carpet cleaning, Duluth, Georgia. Looks like he's position number 250 volume, 1 KD, super easy to beat. And so we can come out here, we could beat him for that. You could get that 22 traffic a month there. Then carpet cleaners, Duluth, Georgia. He's ranked number 2 there. He gets 5 people, 30, it's 30 volume. We could grab that one as well. You'll notice the ads. These people are spending $30, $20, $17 a click to advertise for these 3 services. We would want to see this Duluth carpet cleaning. If you want to do ads, it's only $9 there. Why pay 30 when you can pay $9 for the exact same thing? And 50 people are searching that versus 10 or 30. Obviously, a lot more people are searching this, but 50 is plenty. This also only has 2 KD. why not try to rank for that? You'll get plenty of traffic from those ones. Upholstery, Duluth, Georgia, or upholstery, or I don't know how to say that. House cleaning, all these ones we could rank for. Obviously, this is a national keyword near me, but all this traffic, it all adds up. Carpet cleaning, Duluth, Georgia, yeah, 151. I think that's the same one right there. Yeah, but it all adds up, and you can get quite a bit more traffic to your page. You could also come in and go for Atlanta. I don't know if you service the Atlanta area, but there's quite a few people in Duluth that search for carpet cleaning, it looks like. The next thing, we're going to talk about the map pack. If you don't already, you want to set up your Google Map Pack. A lot of people just go here, when they search, they just grab the website, grab a number off the Google Map Pack. There's 3 organic ranking for the Google Map Pack. First, you want to make sure you set it up 100%. You want to fill everything out. And then you want to add photos. The more photos you add, the more you rank. Google loves content. And when it comes to the Google Map Pack, that would be photos. This guy only looks like he has 3 photos. So you toss in, I'd probably put in at least 20. I mean, it's not hard to put in photos. Easy to do. Boost you in the Google Map Pack. The next thing is citations. Going and tossing this guy into whitespark.ca. You'll see he only has 33 citations. There's thousands of citations out there you can get. A lot of them are free. Some you have to pay for. But, just go grab the free ones. This guy only has 33. Grab 100. Grab 60. Grab something. More than him. Double. Make sure you want to double or, go over more. It just takes time to get them. Free to do. Easy to do. It just, it's time consuming. We can grab all the ones that he has. Basically, directory is just your name, phone number, and address for your business that you have. It's got to be the same name and number that you have on your Google Map Pack. Make sure you, and address, Duluth, Georgia, or wherever your map pack is. So definitely do that. But yeah, you're welcome to do whatever you want with that video, with the tips and tricks. It'll help you, definitely. If you want, we can set up a Zoom call or a phone call, talk more. But you're welcome to do whatever you want. Hope you have a good rest of the day.